Hello, driving intelligence community. Well, this is a mixture of driving and boating intelligence. Notice I've got no oil pressure. I did panic a little bit, killed the engine. The first thing I checked was the electrical connection, and guess what I found? The electrical connection of the oil pressure sending unit was not attached, and I think I took it off to replace the oil filter, so it's my own fault, but at least that was all that was wrong. And voila, I've got oil pressure on the unit again, on the gauge. This goes to show you that you should always check your connections. If the gauge is giving you any indication there's a problem, don't immediately think it's a mechanical issue, but as I did, you should shut your vehicle down, your engine, to make sure that you check it out before continue to operate your vehicle, because you could have zero oil pressure. You might not have any oil in the crankcase. Thanks for watching.